All right, here is another question, exercise 4. Now, this question is adapted from waec, though I don't know the year, but it's as stated in the textbook that I am using. It now said, given that sin x equals to 5 over 13, now, comma, angle degree is less or equals to x, and x is less or equals to 90 degrees. That is, our angle that we will get might either be less or equals to this, or less or equals to 90. That is, at the end of the day, it's within the range of any degree to 90 degree. Like, that is, it's either equals to 90 degree or lesser than 90 degree. All right, now let's solve for that. Now let's start with this. What is x sine x? Now sine x, they said, is equals to this. That's 5 over 13. So let's solve first. What is 5 over 13? So sine x will now be equals to 5 divided by 13. 5 divided by 13 equals 0.3846. Now, what will now be x? X will now be equals to, you bring sine, you divide both sides with sine. So, and when sine comes to this side, cos is equals to become sine inverse. It is as simple as 0.3846 over sine. And remember, in indices, this simply means 1 over sine times 0.3846. And in indices can simply be written as sine inverse 1 of 0.3846. Just trying to tell us how we have sine inverse. So, but nevertheless, we know that when we are dividing by sine, it becomes sine inverse of the value. Shift sine inverse of 0.3846. So we have 22.62. We rounded up the 8 to be 1. We add it to 1, it becomes 2. And numbers that can be rounded up are number from 5 to 9, or within the range of 5 to 9 are the numbers you can round up to 1 to be added to any other number. All right, so we have x equals to 22.62 degree. So this is the value of x, this is the degree of x. So now all we'll now do is this. We will now come to this point now where we were told to find, since we've known what x is now, that this is x, well, find cos x 2 sine x over 2 tan x. So it gives cos 22.62 degree, then times 2 sine 22.62 degree over 2 tan 22.62 degree. So we have, let's take it one after the other. Now cos 22.62 equals 0.9231. We rounded up that 7 to be 1 and added to 0. So 0.9231 times, now 2 times sine 22.62 equals 0.3846 46. So 0.3846, then over 2 times also tan 22.62 equals 0.4167. We will round up the 6 to the 1 add to 6 and it becomes 7. So that's times 0.4167. Now we multiply all this. Now we have 0.9231 times 2 times 0.3846 equals to 0.7101. We round up 8 to 4 and 4 becomes 5, 5 to 0 and it becomes 1. The next thing is the lower part, which is 2 times 0.4167 is equals to 0.8334 over 0.8334. And I'm going to divide 0.7101 divided by 0.8334 because 0.8521. 0.8521 final answer.